Hello, this is Jeremy from Integrity Home Inspections. I'm here at 12216 Northeast 28th Street in Vancouver, Washington, performing a sewer scope inspection from this clean out here on the southeast corner of the home. We've got some water running in the line right now. That just helps carry the camera to the main city connection. So from here, I'm going to zero out the camera and mute the video. Right here at about 45.5 feet or 44.5 feet past the clean out, you'll notice a material change from the black ABS plastic to Schedule 3034 green plastic. This typically indicates the beginning of the city lateral connection. Alright, right here at about 79.5 feet is where the home sewer line enters the main city connection. I'm going to pull the camera back to about right here, pause the video, turn the water off to the home, and locate this position. Alrighty, I was able to locate this position. It is out in the middle of the little road cul-de-sac area at the end of the flag lot driveway. So what we're going to do from here is pull the camera back. Things that I'm looking for are root intrusions, offset joints, sections of standing water, bellies, blockage, really anything that would hinder the basic function of the sewer line. So again, I'm going to mute the video. Alright, it does appear that from basically where the home's sewer line enters the main city line, there is some standing water. So what I'm going to do is pull the camera back to the beginning of it, pause the video, and mark that location. It is a little bit difficult to get a good spot because it seems like it is slowly draining. I have all of the water fixtures in the home off, so I'm not really certain why there's still so much water flowing in here. Yeah, so I'm going to push the camera to about right here. Well, no, enough. Pull it back up. does actually seem to be draining. I think it's just this area right here that's not. All right, again, yeah, I'm going to pause the video and locate this position. All right, so this area did not appear to drain at all. So what we're going to mark the area in the road. It is in the cul-de-sac, so it is likely the city's responsibility. Best course of action would be to consult with the city for further details. But what we're going to do is continue pulling back the camera, and I'm going to mute the video. Alrighty, here again is another section of standing water, so I'm going to once again mute the video or pause the video and locate this position. Alright, I was able to locate this and I marked it. It was in the same cul-de-sac. So I'm going to pull the camera back to the beginning of this section of standing water, pause the video and locate it. Back so that go back to that 5-foot mark. Seems to be where the water was. That right here. Alrighty. Again, I'm going to be pulling the camera back. Same thing. That's actually the beginning of that piece is on the sidewalk. The end of it is in the street. There's a good chance that both areas are going to be the city's responsibility. Up here's some solid waste that's making its way down. A slower draining line here. A little bit flatter than it's designed to be, but it doesn't seem to be touching any solids. It appears it will likely drain out just a little bit slower than typical. Alrighty, and here is another Bellies. Pause the video, locate. Alright, I was able to locate this position. It's only about 18 feet from the clean out, close to the, that was a very short section. Pause the video and locate again. Alrighty, again, we're going to pull the camera back. Located that position. It's in the front yard. We're in the home stretch. It's there. The last thing I'm going to do before I pull the camera out is flush the toilet in this home just to double check that it is the right one. I believe this is far enough back. I'm going to pause the video real quick and go flush the toilet. Alright, I'm a little confused because there is some water flowing through there, but a toilet flush would have been much more water. It totally would have submerged the camera and filled up most of the sewer line. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again and try to figure out a different way to triple check if this is the right sewer line. Alrighty, so I went over to the neighbors and asked them to flush the toilet, and as you can see, there was no surge of water, and didn't hear a flush coming from that side. So, this is the right line. As you can see right here at the bottom of the clean out is another section of standing water. The best course of action would be to start with the city to figure out where the responsibility of the homeowner ends and theirs begins, and then from there take it on to the plumber for the belly in the front yard. But from here, what we'll do is upload the video and report and email it out to the agent and client. Thank you for choosing integrity, and have a good day.